Why did my car insurance company raise my rates? I am assuming you are asking because you did not have any tickets or accidents recently that we would normally think would increase your rate, correct? So if you have not had any claims or tickets, why did your rates go up? Well, consider the insurance company as a business whose job is to make a profit for the owners. Each year they evaluate which groups of customers helped them make the most profit this year and which groups did not. The company then decides to reward the profitable groups with a small rate decrease or leave them the same, while the less profitable groups will get a rate increase. The goal would be to get some of the less profitable clients to shop around and move on, while trying to attract more of the profitable groups with the lower prices. So if you are in one of the less profitable groups this year, you can see your rates go up even though you were a safe driver with no claims. Inflation can also have an impact on overall rates as well. There could be a number of reasons why your car insurance company may have raised your rates. Did you get into an accident or have to file a claim? How about your driving history? Did you get any tickets? Did you move to a new location? If everything has remained the same on your end, there still could be few reasons why your rates have increased. There could be an increase in claims, or you could have a bad weather in your area as a whole which may increase your rates. The insurance company you are working with may have had to make adjustments to the rates in order to stay profitable. You should see if you can get the same coverage at a lower rate by shopping online on different carriers' websites or by going through an agent. Make sure you look for discounts available to get the lowest rate and that you keep in mind that the cheapest policy is not the best one to get. Insurance rates can increase for a few reasons. One would be your own driving claims history. Another would be an overall rate increase by the company. These rate increases are due to the massive amount of data the company collects on claims payouts. Obviously, a steady increase in claims increases the cost of providing the insurance coverages, and these costs are passed on to the consumer. This is why it's great to have an independent insurance agent. When we know or notified of an overall rate increase, we set to work trying to rewrite your policy to get the same coverages at a better rate with another company. The only thing I can think of is corporate greed and injustice. No tickets in over 10 years, no claims since I've been driving 1977, I drive less than 7,000 miles a year and my rate just got jacked up $50. I've heard the rates of good drivers get raised to cover the bad ones, which makes no sense to me. For many years, good drivers were rewarded with lower premiums and bad ones had their rates rise. Now it seems the opposite is happening, which is utterly ridiculous. Being retired and on a limited budget, it looks like I'll be looking for a different insurance company every 6 months now. My search is on, again. Not enough info. Your premium, or your total cost. Premiums are increased periodically for profit and to supposedly offset the increase in claims. Take that however you like. I take it with a grain of salt. Our provincial insurance corporation posts higher and higher profits every year. I wonder how that happened. If you're still driving the vehicle, still live in the same place and premium has not gone up, then the only other explanations are that you've made a claim, loss of discount, gotten a bunch of traffic tickets, or you've modified your optional coverage to include more. Your premium is based on so many different things. How old you are. What you do for a living. Where you live. How far you travel, mileage per year. The cars you drive. Are you married or do you have kids? How old are the kids? Are they driving too? Have you gotten into an accident before? Was it deemed that you were liable or responsible? What coverages do you have and how much are your deductibles? Who provides your insurance? Do you bundle it with other insurance? Little fun fact. Nurses have some of the lowest premiums, because they are deemed less reckless due to the nature of their jobs. All these things and so much more go into your rates. Try calling your insurance carrier to look for possible discounts. You can get them for a number of things. Like if you are a sorority or fraternity member, if you go to school, and if you work for a certain company. Those are just a couple. You can also shop around for your rates. As the daughter of a service member, I now get better rates with USAA than I did with Geico. Without knowing where you live, how old you are, what kind of cars that you drive, how many other people are in your household who drive, what all of your driving records are, and kinds and limits of coverage that you have, it would be impossible to even guess why your car insurance is so high. And what you consider high, might in fact not be high, considering all of the factors used to rate an insurance policy. For example, if you live in Michigan, Louisiana or Florida, those are the 3 highest priced states. Maybe you just added a young driver, especially one under 19, would really cause your rates to go up. Maybe your driving record is really bad. Lots of reasons why your car insurance prices could be high.